Hey guys, welcome to another segment provided by Technical Option Traders Inc. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today I'm just going to create a video quickly about scalping options. Now, scalping is probably one of the hardest things to do when you're trading options on a daily basis, especially if you're new or beginning. All right, so if you have a look here, you see a chart, and what I'm looking at is Tesla. Tesla, I was looking at 615. 615 was tested multiple times prior day. It tried to break it, but unfortunately it wasn't able to do so. So that's why pre-market, I had two triggers, either a break of 618 into 620, then to 625, or a break of 615 and we go all the way down to 605, right? So 605 is when I was looking to take profits, even though it went lower. So what I use here, I use the 8-day EMA and the 21-day and the crossover. You can see the crossover happened here in pre-market, and this is the 5-minute chart here, right? So when I'm looking for the 615 level break, you can see after that break it continues to come lower, right? Now it does bounce back, but it does not go back and test the 615 level. Now, because this is my entry point at the break, this is also my exit point. So if Tesla was to come back to 615 and break it here, I would exit. So because it didn't, it came back here, it went back down, right? So a simple strategy here. So this is now because it broke the support level, now this is resistance again, right? So it has to break through resistance to go back higher, right? Simple logic. So what I'm looking for here is the 8 and the 21-day crossover. We've opted to hold here, and you can see the 21-day is still downtrend, 8-day downtrend, right? And even though the price does try to push back up, there's fake out moves, right? Because the market doesn't always move just in one way, right? So they're going to try to fake you out along the way. So you have to have a plan and stick with the plan. Now you see it comes down to 606, bounce to 610, comes back lower, and it meets 604, which is my target price here. I took profits here on the daily, but this is what I use. And if you want, you could test this strategy out in multiple days by going back in further time frames. It works out pretty well for me. Even the crossover, like for the previous day here, this was, I believe, on June 14th. And if you see here, pre-market, you see the 8 crossing over the 21. Pre-market high pushes to 625. Now 625 was a big rejection point. I had this as a level to 635. It was not able to do so. Now you see you got a downtrend, but you got kind of a sideways move here, right? Nothing really happening. You can't really trade this, no matter how good of a scalper you are, unless you have like one of those crazy program computers where you can get in and out very fast. You're not trading this. So what you do is you be patient. You wait for the 8 and 21-day to cross again. You see this push come in here, right? Break of a downtrend line, right? You got a nice break here. And you got an 8 and 21-day crossover. So you got two confirmation signals. Break of an interim downtrend line, 8 crossing over the 21, over the pre-market high once again. And you got a nice little room for scalp, right? Simple as that. And then that's it. You quickly take your money and you exit your positions. So if you look at this day here as well, in the pre-market, Tesla just makes the 8 and 21-day crossover, breaks the pre-market low here, good entry point. Does it come back to it? No, keeps going lower. That's a simple strategy, right? Pre-market low is my, if I'm buying puts here, pre-market low is my level to watch. If it comes back and breaks it, I will exit. But if it continues to go down, I will keep riding the wave, right? So it's a simple strategy, 8 crossing over the 21, and how I use it to scalp with VWAP and different support and resistance levels. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys have more questions, let me know. I will link my Twitter and my Instagram page to this, as well as my website. You guys can feel free to reach out to me. If you guys want to see any other videos about scalping options or options in general, let me know. I'll be more than happy to post them.